This hanger wire's been here for probably 15 years. A little rusty. Now I'm just gonna try snipping it. I'm pulling it through. There's one piece. There's the other. All right, so my 3/16" rod, I want to create something that will go around here and have a little bump in it, so it'll hold nice in place. Then we can also switch this down to use the other mode of transportation for this as well. So first, make sure I'm on the mark here. There we go. I think I want to have it like right about there. So with that, I'm gonna heat this puppy up a little bit. Oh, you're not even getting any of that. Sorry, guys. Try that again. All right, now I'm gonna cut it. Now to have the size that I kind of want here. General rough shape. Oops. I need it red hot, but I don't know. There we go. Voila. Not bad for a few minutes worth of work. Now, take this off. Hot. No. Yes. There we go. And that's how you do that. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff.